Number 6. Geneva. Geneva is the second most populous city in Switzerland and is the most populous city of Romandy. Situated where the Rhone exits Lake Geneva, it is the capital of the Republic and Canton of Geneva. The municipality has a population as of December 2014 of 197,376. What is Geneva, Switzerland best known for? Geneva embodies most of the things Switzerland is famous for. Breathtaking scenery, quality wines, chocolate and cheese, as well as the pinnacle of watchmaking. What is so special about Geneva? One of Europe's most cosmopolitan cities, Geneva has served as a model for republican government and owes its preeminence to the triumph of human rather than geographic factors. It developed its unique character from the 16th century, whereas center of the Calvinist Reformation, it became the Protestant Rome. Number 7. Bern. Bern, Switzerland, is the de facto capital of Switzerland, referred to as the federal city, with a population of about 133,000. As of 2022, Bern is the fifth most populous city in Switzerland, behind Zurich, Geneva, Basel, and Lausanne. What is Bern known for, Switzerland? Perhaps the most famous Bern landmark is the beer pit, where beers have been kept on display at the city's expense since 1480. Old Bern was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. Why visit Bern? Bern itself is like a giant open-air museum that you can endlessly walk through on its cobbled streets, through its long archways, marveling at the flawless historic architecture, beautiful fixtures, and unique fountains, which have drinking water and are tested daily. Number 8. Basel. Basel is an important distributing center for foreign trade that produces 1/3 of the total Swiss customs revenue and is the site of the Bank for International Settlements. The city is one of the nodal points of the railways of Europe and is an equally important riverboat. What is Basel famous for? Some of Basel's must-see places of interest include the Basel Cathedral, built 800 years ago in the Romantic and Gothic styles, home to 40 museums. The City of Culture for connoisseurs has the highest concentration of museums in the country. Basel also has a beautiful old town, modern architecture, and the Rhine, an inviting spot to rest a while.